left side when you feel it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's what hurts the worst. Right side's not too bad. Hopefully I don't put my bad juju on you.
Oh, yeah. Glorified sewage worker.
You cold?
No,
You want a little towel on you?
it's just for him whenever he needs a barrier.
If you put it down there, I'll see how I got it.
I was just coming to find you, Ricardo.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
I need a
You
cameraman
open
if
your
you want
jaw
to
a
take me.
little bit there.
If you find someone to come hold the camera for me.
Ah.
Tight in there.
Uh-huh. Ah, shit.
You okay with me doing your neck?
Shit. Oh.
Don't worry if it's a little bit uncomfortable.
Oh, no.
Doesn't worry me.
I gotta sound good for the camera.
Yeah. We got to hear some good Texan swear words,
Yeah.
you know? Oh, yeah, your tummy's tight, too.
Okay.
It's so deep.
Ooh. Ah. Shit.
A little bit cold.
Ooh. Yeah.
Oh, man, your legs are tight.
Oh, yeah, I'm hurt all over.
Yeah. I might start talking with a Texan accent myself. I pick it up pretty quick. Good breath.
Ooh. Guess y'all, you're gonna have to have your earplugs on, man. Start cussing.
Yeah, there's a sort of curve going on in your foot. I need to relax.
Okay.
Remember, a bit of pain never hurt anybody. How's that brush up? This one. Feel how that knuckle there is really stiff? Yeah, you want to get that loose. You don't want to age with that. You know? Turn this way. Remember, keep breathing right into your dantian, your point in your belly button, just below your belly button. I don't want to go too hard to start with, if you don't mind, just because I didn't bring my earmuffs. You can see this toe is curling this way quite a bit too, so
Yeah.
and it's really stiff in this joint here. So. So just get that breathing going. Yeah, that's through here is just supercharged.
Ah. Ah. Ah.
Feel free to come closer.
Ah.
Yeah, it's definitely got a strong tendency to be pulling inward here, so we're just going to move it to the other side.
Ah. Shit.
Thought I'd give you a break from the tools and just use my thumb here.
Ah.
This is what we call the art of gentle persuasion. Oh, that was a nice click. It's like, come on, let go. Oh, he is so tight through here. That's it. Keep that breath going.
Ah.
That's really sweet. You're doing well, Jordan. I understand that sometimes it can be a little bit uncomfortable. Oh, there we go. Just gonna let him catch his breath.
I don't see how
thumb and didn't say shit. No, I still think. I don't know how he did it.
It's kind of better though if you let it out, you know?
Oh man, it's ain't fucking no joke here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ha. Ha.
Yeah. It's like correcting years
Golly.
of, you know, chronic tension basically.
Like my toe broke.
Yeah, no, I got a spare in the car anyway.
Ooh. Wife ditch on me. Yeah.
What's that?
So my wife just took off.
Yeah.
Ah, shit.
Yeah, that's tight in there. That joint is one of your worst. It's good, good breathing. That's it. Doing well. Nice. I had a few women in my classes debate whether this is more intense than giving birth or not. Quite a few of them agreed it was. So. That's breathing right into your dantian here. That's good.
Started tingling all over.
Yeah, yeah. The third end was saying he felt like he could charge electricity in a house from his hand.